What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the Weber going. We're going to make some killer buffalo chicken sandwiches tonight. Actually, buffalo chicken sandwiches for me, sandwich for me, and just regular chicken for the rest of my family. But we've got some chicken breasts here. I like to make my chicken sandwiches with either chicken breasts or chicken thighs. I went with breasts this time. I have mine soaking in some, or marinating in some buffalo sauce as we speak. It's Sweet Baby Ray's garlic buffalo. Super pumped to try that. So I have that marinating in that. I'm going to toss that on the grill. We're going to get some nice color on it, throw it on a sandwich, and we're going to eat. Stay tuned. All right, they've been on for a few minutes. We gave them a nice little flip. We let them cook. All right, so we have the chicken basically cooked up nice. Now what we want to do is we want to add 2 slices of American cheese to our chicken. Keep that on the grill just for a few minutes longer. It's gonna melt real nice. We're gonna put the bun on, get a nice little char on the bun. Then we're gonna hit it with some Gorgonzola cheese, some ranch dressing, lettuce, onion, mwah, chef's kiss, baby. All right, we got our fresh roll from our local bakery here on here. Putting a nice just a little char, get it a little warm. Throw the chicken and cheese on top, go inside. We're gonna finish that bad boy off. All right, so the key to an awesome buffalo chicken sandwich is taking some ranch dressing and some Gorgonzola cheese and mixing that together. I find it better than blue cheese, or equally as awesome as blue cheese, but a little different. And that's what we want. Mix it all together and throw it on the bread. All right, we got it right here. We're adding it to the bun, or the bread rather. All right, so we've got our lettuce on there, we've got our onion, and of course you got to finish it off with a little of that hot Tua little sauce on that thing. Whoop. Beautiful. Let's do it. All right, we cut through. Bang. Look at that. Beautiful.